Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a first look at the Homey Bridge.
And Homey sent us this for the review.
So what this is, it's a little disc machine thing.
Machine thing, disc thing? Well, no,
It's a smart
it's
home
it's
hub.
a smart home hub that includes what would you say it was a Zigbee,
It's got
Z-Wave?
Zigbee, Z-Wave, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Z-Wave Plus. It also has 433 megahertz and infrared.
Yeah, the infrared's kind of intriguing to me. But this is a cloud-based device, and you just basically plug in the micro USB cable to it to power it up, bring up the app, and you're all set. They even give you the power adapter and instructions.
And this works with the Homey app, like Mark said, and it works with 5 devices right out of the box. And if you want to add more than that, you need to get a subscription.
Okay,
I almost said prescription. All right, so we're going to go install this and come back and do our full review. Thanks for watching.
thank you.